friends, I am Khushi Agarwal of class 8 of St. Mary's Senior Secondary School. Today I am going to teach you the properties of addition of rational numbers. So let's begin. But first we want to know what is a rational number. A number in the form of p by q where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. For example, a by b is a rational number and a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0. A numeral example is 6 by 7 is a rational number, 6 and 7 are also integers and 7 is not equal to 0. The next topic which I am going to tell you is the properties of addition. There are 5 properties of addition. First, closure property. Second, commutative property. Third, associative property. Fourth, additive identity. And the fifth or the last one is additive inverse. Now let's begin with the first property. So the first one was closure property. The closure property says that the two rational numbers, the sum of two rational numbers is always a rational number. For example, 4 by 2 plus 6 by 2 is equals to 10 by 2, which is a rational number. The second property is commutative property. The commutative property says the sum of any two rational numbers can be added in any order. For example, a by b plus c by d is equals to c by d plus a by b. A numeral example like 4 by 2 plus 6 by 2 is equals to 6 by 2 plus 4 by 2, which is 10 by 2 is equals to 10 by 2. Hence, proved. Now the third property, which is associative property. Associative property says that two or more rational numbers can be grouped in any order. For example, a by b plus c by d in a bracket plus e by f is equals to a by b plus c by d plus e by f in a bracket. A numeral example like 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3 in a bracket plus 6 by 3 is equals to 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3 plus 6 by 3. 6 by 3 plus 6 by 3 is equals to 2 by 3 plus 10 by 3. 12 by 3 is equals to 12 by 3. Hence, proved. Now the fourth property, which is additive identity. Additive identity says that the sum of any rational number with 0 is the rational number itself. For example, a by b plus 0 is equals to a by b. Another example like numeral example 4 by 2 plus 0 is the same 4 by 2. The next property, which is additive inverse, the last or the fifth property, which says that negative of a rational number. The additive inverse says negative of a rational number. For example, a by b, its additive inverse will be minus a by b. If minus a by b is given, its additive inverse will be plus a by b. A numeral example like 6 by 7, its additive inverse will be minus 6 by 7. And the additive inverse of minus 6 by 7 will be plus 6 by 7. So friends, I have completed the concept of the properties of addition of rational numbers. I hope you will understand better while watching this video. Thank you.